Wow, my heart is beating. Okay, I have a direction for this video, but I don't know what direction it's gonna go in. So I'm just gonna like talk. Basically, I just wanted to talk about like what is going on with me. You guys know I've been kind of like up and down. I'm just like trying to really get to a place where I'm very happy and I'm productive. Lately, I've been realizing that I am not in a good headspace. Well, I haven't been, and I've been working on it. That's the important part. To just work on yourself. Work on your mental health. Your mental health is very important, and it sucks because in the black community, not even just in the black community, but there's a lot of other cultures that stress productivity, that stress success in life, that really don't take the time to educate themselves or their children on mental health. And it's like a lot of mental health illnesses and stuff just get swept under the rug. They don't get talked about at the dinner table. It's just like you either pray it away, work it away, do something to get through it. You got to get through it. And I mean, at the end of the day, yes, you need to get through it. You need to work through it. But it's not something that you can just get over. It's definitely something that is hard to cope with when you don't have a good support system, and when the people that you actually love and care about are not understanding of what you're going through. With parents, like if the parent is going through it, they're not going to be able to translate that to their kids in a way that's healthy, or they're not going to be able to understand it when their child goes through it. They might see it, but they might not understand it, or they might not accept it. And that is really toxic, because it's like, on one hand you can't blame them, but on the other hand it's like, this is your child and they're going through it. They're going through something, and instead of acknowledging it, you're kind of like choosing not to address it because you have your own things going on. So it's just like a constant battle, and it, believe it or not, it's just gonna travel down the line. Like, depression is a thing that is very common, and I think a lot of people are trying to act like it's this thing that is just like taboo, but it's not. It's like, it's very common. I just don't get it. Like, a lot of people are depressed. But they don't like to talk about it. That's weird. So I'm opening this again. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I really don't know. But we're gonna start with the transition color. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna start with this yellow and see where it goes. I have no idea. Jesus, take the wheel, because I don't know what I'm doing with it. But we're gonna try this. I don't know what it's gonna turn out to be. Oh my gosh. I might end up looking absolutely crazy. I'll just wipe it off. But okay, we'll see. Okay. Maybe there's hope. Oh wow. Psst, sis, we gonna bootleg this. Yes, we are. There's just a lot on my mind. I'm really trying to figure it all out. Like, I just want to get to a point where my parents actually take what I'm doing seriously. Like, okay, she's like really about this life. Okay, then I guess let's support her with it, you know? If this is what she really wants to do, let's just see where it goes. I was watching it. It's an Issa Rae. I almost messed up her name. Issa Rae interview, and she was like, some people just need a chance. Sometimes they mess it up, but at least they got a chance. Oh, I don't know where it cut off, but we're back. So yeah, for the past few days I haven't had my phone. It's great. Like, if I didn't have my phone and only have my laptop so I could make my videos for YouTube, I'd be okay. I think my phone, it just like really distracts me. It does. And it's not even just the phone itself. It's social media. But being on the phone is different from being on my computer. Like, I can be on my computer and not get distracted. But when I'm on my phone, it's like, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the blue light. Maybe it's the something. I have no idea. But I just zone out. And whenever I come back to reality, it's like I feel drained. I feel tired. So I feel like there's a science to that, but I have no idea what it is. Let me take this color, this brush, since it's clean, and just blend. Because sis is wilding out here. She is wilding for real. Yeah. I really don't know what it is about this little blue, violet, whatever, but it's not, she's not here for whatever I'm trying to do. I don't appreciate it. What was I talking about? I forgot. Okay, so we're gonna move on. It's hard when you know that there's this whole other world outside of the world that you're living in, like your everyday, but you can't be a part of that world. So why is my camera always about to die after one video? Oh. Okay. But yeah, I forgot what I was talking about again. Oh my gosh, wow. Going back to depression though. Okay. A lot of my friends have been going through the exact same thing. Everyone deals with it differently. And I realized, I tweeted the other day, I was like, why do I like talking to people who don't like talking to people? There are people who are antisocial, and there are people who are antisocial because they're going through something. And a lot of my friends are going through things. But yeah, why I'm going through a lot of what I'm going through is because I'm at a point where there's a lot changing for me, and I'm changing every day. I'm learning a lot every day, and it's crazy. It's just hard to take in. And I think it just comes with the age. It comes with just this time. It's a transition period. I'm going from a time where I know, like, I have a routine. I know everything that's going to happen in my day, which isn't the best, but you know, I know everything that's going to happen in my day. I know where I'm going to be. I know this, I know that. And then, you know, I'm moving from that to a different routine. I have to learn a different way of life because I'm going off to college. I just feel like me and my body aren't the same, and every day I'm learning more about this body that I'm in, and I'm learning about who I am, what my spirit is, who that is. And as I get closer to it, as my energy, who I am, I can't even find better words for that, but who I am, like my actual being, me, as that comes out more and more, I'm just realizing that I'm more in tune with the world around me. I don't feel real, but I'm in tune to everything around me. I don't even know how to explain that better. But yeah. Okay, so my camera died, but I finished my makeup. I think it came out pretty good. Like, I'm glad I actually took the leap, the jump, the risk, and did this little blue look. I did a gold highlight. I had on a brown matte lip. I don't even know why I play myself every time, but I took that off and just lined my lips with brown and put on a clear gloss. Called it a day. But yeah. Don't look at my nails because they're ugly. So I'm about to go film another video. So